Okay, let's start. Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And first of all, I want to say something about this project. It takes 30 days and today is a 30 live. Okay, so we didn't expect that it's going more than 30 days in this project, but what we say is take a time. Okay, and we are trying to complete this project as fast as possible, but it take 30 days and I think 1-2 more take for live to complete this project. Okay, so let's continue this project, and today we are uh, sorry and today we are completing our appointment section, which are still we are talking from the previous slide. Okay, so let us start. And first of all I'm going to screen and okay, then and where am I? Okay, here it is. And setting the position. Okay, now it's fine and let's look good. So let us start. And first of all, I open my folder, okay, and which is here, and open my VS Code. Okay, cmd, wait, go inside this folder and now open the VS Code. Okay, first of all I have to open the command prompt, so select all and write cmd, right now type, then enter, and there here type code space dot, then enter. Then now our VS Code will be open. Okay, so now first of all we opened our server. Okay, so press Ctrl backtick and it's open the terminal, then zoom it, Ctrl plus plus plus. Okay, then our our command for start the server is very simple, run dev. Okay, and it's take not time and it's open. Okay, so now press the control button and click here link, means localhost 3000. Then it's automatically it's automatically open the server in our default browser. And I hope you all know that which is our default browser is Firefox, because we are doing this project minimum 30 days. Okay, and it's going more days, so don't worry about it, we are completing this project. And now we are open in private window. Okay, because this this shows some error, why I don't know about it. And when I change means use another browser, then it's working completely fine. But here I don't know what's the problem exactly coming. So let's go in new private window and paste here and enter. Okay, so now first of all I log in it. Okay, and I think wait, all things are fine. Okay, so first of all go in user profile. Okay, user dashboard, and user dashboard is ajaxon05@gmail.com. Okay, and the password is very simple, SAMIR123, enter. Okay, so it's login successfully. Literally it takes time to go to dashboard. Okay, so जब तक ये जा रहा है डैशबोर्ड में, ठीक है, उससे पहले थोड़ा सा कोड के अंदर विजिट कर लेते हैं. Now close the terminal. Okay, and now Alt Z, wrap all the code in the one page. Okay, and जो पार्ट यहाँ पर हमने कमेंट किया है, ठीक है, so first of all ये तो comment is necessary. Okay, and YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming, and network is fine. Wait, network is fine, then why so this? Okay, I think it's running correctly. We move to our project, and what we had to discuss about it. Oh, first of all we have reviewed the code what we ended at the last, means previous live. Okay, in previous live we just completed our appointment section, where we can take appointment, fill up the form and send. Okay, and what the problem we face, that if I send the appointment, okay, at the same time it's multiple, then it's gone, means it's take in the server. But we have to here strict, means we have to set up here some logic that if the user taken 9 o'clock already appointment, then doctor already booked for a 9 a.m. or p.m., sorry, only a.m., then another user takes same appointment in the same date, then it show some message that this time doctor isn't available or something like that. Okay, so I think our dashboard will be opened. Let's see now. It's already open and it's working fine. Yes, let's go in appointment. Okay, here the doctor, we have to select any types of doctor which you want to take a which you want to take appointment. Okay, now this Dr. Arjun for the pathology 5 year, and image is coming on the way. Okay, sorry, image is literally taking a time. Let's go in my info, and here all from about the user can also update here. Okay, many information you have to give, then submit here. Let's go appointment. Okay, so first of all we send this some appointment. I think we already send the appointment, no? So first of all we delete the previous appointment which is taken by this user. So let's go in Microsoft browser. Oh, what the name of that browser? Microsoft Edge. Okay, and let's go in Appwrite.io, not documentation. Okay, and we are here. So let's go to console. If you already sign in, then you see the go to console button. Otherwise, get started or login, sign in, submit that. Then let's go in healthcare project, and okay, then bandwidth we already used that, but no problem. Let's go in database. Inside the database, and the database our name the name of the database is healthcare. Inside the database, and you can see we already make it 1 2 3 4 collections. Okay, and doctor information for adding a doctor, patient information for adding a user, appointment we just created that. Okay, let's go inside the appointment, and let's only one data we have. Okay, then take it and delete it. Okay, let's go in our dashboard, and we again send some appointment. Okay, so first of all I want to take orthopedic, and what the means of orthopedic, joint pain, some pain, or some I think bone type problem, then we to take the appointment. Okay, so select this doctor, is selected, and give the region. My joint is so much pain. Okay, lost ID. If you are giving more information according to you, provide it, and take the appointment date. I take the date of tomorrow, which is 7. Okay, and take a time 9 a.m. Okay, if I write here 9 a.m. so more better, no? It is so easy, you can also do yourself. And the schedule appointment. Okay, then is schedule send appointment. Okay, it's completely sent. And now again I change the doctor. Okay, and cardiologist for the heart, something like that. No, yes. So select this doctor one again and change the region. So I want to check up my heart because sometime is automatic fast, means my heart beat fast, and after some time is auto normal. Okay, it's a similar cause. Okay, now expected date I want to put same, and time will be same. Then when we click the submit, okay, then also send CR successfully send appointment. Okay, but at this time if the date is same and the time will also same, then another appointment doesn't send it. Okay, it's so some message this time already booked doctor, or this time doctor not available, or something like that. So first of all we do this, then after that we go to forward for this second logic. Okay, so first of all this, so let's go in our code editor. Okay, so for that first of all we need all the data for that doctor is already wait I'm sorry my logic will be some different. Okay, and now you can see we change the doctor. No, when the change the doctor, we don't know about this doctor is booked or not, then it's gone. The both doctor have single appointment. No, if I again this doctor, assume that I'm user will be changed. Okay, so what the name of user is, as Jackson, something like that. User will be changed and put at the same time appointment. When I click again, you can see all things are same, doctor will be same, and send, then again the data will be gone. Okay, so now this problem this is our main problem. So let's go in our code, and first of all we take all data and check this this time doctor are already booked or not. Okay, if booked, then we give the what is say manually manual notification or manually message that this doctor already booked, so change the time or something like that. No. Ooh. So now what we do, first of all we retrieve all data. So let's go in our slice and appointment slice. Okay, so first appointment send. Okay, and second, if I write here in this slice, then any problem is created. Just think about you, just think for a second how it work. Before we sending the data, first of all we retrieve, means we want the data, okay, which already in database. Then we once again copy paste. Okay, we just copy and paste and change the name. Take get appointment data. Okay, we just change the name here, Control C, and put here. After that, when we get all data, then it's all data in appointment data array. Okay, just imagine that we have 15 or only 10 data. Okay, only 10 data, and we check this time is doctor already booked or not. If not, then send data. If booked, then show some message. Okay, so first of all we get data, then all data which are here. Okay, then check it is have or not. After that we send it. Okay, when we send it, it updated, is previous data will be erased and new data will come here, so it's good. Okay, so it's good to get data here. And hello Nabi, what's up? Hi, I'm sorry, I'm good. And what about you? Okay, because okay, so what we do here. And hello Nabi, thank you for joining us. Okay, and so we are continue our project. This take 30 days, and today is a 30 day for our project, and I think more it take some more days to complete. Okay, so we didn't give up, we complete this project, then after we start a new project. And Al Quran, भाई डीबी कौन सी यूज कर रहे हो? एंड मैं डीबी एज मीन्स यू मीन्स डाटाबेस, नो, मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ Appwrite का. I using Appwrite service, and the database is already provided in Appwrite, so it is very easy to use. And thank you for join us. If you are new our channel, so first of all please subscribe channel, give one like, and continue with us. Okay, so what we have to change now, we can just copy paste this function and rename the function. Okay, so when we get the data, okay, so what we need and how to want to get in data. So first of all I want to get the data according to user ID, sorry, user not what we say, sorry for that, doctor ID. When I send the data, if the same doctor at the same time, sorry, if the same doctor with the same time, which is time already booked by another user, then we are putting some message that this doctor already booked. Okay, so let's move to our where we have to go. Documentation, I think not, we are already make some for the another, just like the get user, something like that, doctor profile and update. Okay, get. From here we can see how it's working. Okay, means how we put here. So first of all database ID and appointment, we have database ID, we have Appwrite ID. So database ID and database ID will means had be same. Where it is Appwrite pocket ID, Appwrite database ID, because only one database we are created, then it's okay, means is okay. Then what we need, Appwrite collection ID, and we have already put here collection ID. Okay, and no ID, no unique ID we need. Okay, and remove it. Okay, we have to change here. I think what is list document, control C and control V. Okay, now if I put like that, okay, then all the data comes which are in database, means which are in appointment collection. No, if there is many doctor, but this is not a handy approach. This time a user send request, it will fetch doctor that. But this is not a handy approach. Okay, this time a user send request, it will fetch the doctor data. Yes, means when the user take an appointment, then first of all the data comes which are already in collection. Then first of all check that this times or this same date and same doctor are already appoint for some other user or not. If not, then we will send the data, otherwise is skip and provide some message. No, if you are any easy way, then you can say, you can suggest me, I'll try that. Okay, so what we have to now do, we go and equal, okay, query, we have only take that doctor data that I have to already select that. Okay, otherwise it's provide all the data information, then it's managed so difficult. So we used this one. Okay, so let's go appointment and put here control V. Okay, and remove the comment, and alt Z, we can not take our data, we can only take ID. Okay, now here ID and query, we have to import it to control space. If you are install Appwrite, then this suggestion you have to show, then click enter, then it's automatically import at the top of your code, means up top of your page. Then control S for save it. Okay, and so today I am trying to making this live in English language, because of my practice also be a sorry, because some practice for like speaking English. Okay, we completed our get appointment setup. Okay, and which takes only ID. I think here the best approach will be this user should send a request like as it and just a request, so multiple user can request at any time. Yes, then on a doctor side, doctor will see all the request, and then he can accept or reject the request. Yeah, this will be set with the status or send a message to use it, change the time. But if doctor take, what we say, if doctor take a time to send a, what we want to say, wait, if doctor, okay, so if doctor doesn't see that request, that what is a message, means we instantly which patient are sent, if they reply late, then it, I think, is there some what we say, some bad effect for the user. Because if I select now time and it's showing the message instantly, then I think it is the best approach. Because in our country, no, our driving license exam date, we have to fill up the information online, then there is that approach is used. If this date is completely full of the applicant, then the date will be not shown and show the message this date you can submit the data, you can change the date at the time when we are submit the form. Then I think this is a good approach. If the doctor seen the message and the same time of two user are sent, then it see first of all which message is come, then it is confirm and it will cancel and give the message that change your time. Then if the if things are taking a time for a doctor, if doctor is what we say, if doctor giving a reply late, then I think it's some problem for the user, maybe, I think. No, what you want to say that on it? Let me think, just a second. uh, One, and you can also say that if the many, if the we can see if the data are many, just like more than 100 200, then all data will be fetched. Then we can compare, then the message it is not a good, you are also right at the time. Then if and okay, so now sorry, so now I do one things more, that what, just you can see here, I do the query in Appwrite. Then I can also query with the what, doctor ID and the time, and date I will also put here. No, date, then ID, date and time. Then only that data comes are the same ID and date or time. I think this approach is good. Okay, and I'm sorry, Alquan, I didn't think that your suggestion is good. I'm sorry for it. Okay, so I'm continue with my, then I have to put here, I have to change something, what we I forget something. Okay, let's go in Appwrite documentation. And hello, why you gone from here? My info, appointment. Okay, why you gone suddenly? I understand your point to some extent is right, but we should give doctors some flexibility as well, since it is request, so doctor actions should be there. But that is fine, you should this way. I think your suggestion is also be right, and my suggestion will be also be right. Then which way I can choose? First of all, I take a data only the doctor's ID, which doctor have the appointment, and to only that user which are taking your same data. That will be, I will try first. Okay, then we can explain here. So Appwrite and docs. Okay, and okay, then some updated version here where we can do query. Okay, so query query, and query classes will coincide. Here the something how we query it this way. Great, why, nice way to learn. Thank you. Thank you, Quran. Okay, and Al Quran नाम है आपका, नहीं, select the attribute should be returned from document. Okay, and return the document if the matches all the nested, okay, of all the, then I think we have to use this. Then comment it and put here. Okay, and I think my throat will be some. Okay, wait. Now I'll be fine. So first of all, I have to search the doctor ID. Okay, then doctor ID, control C, control V. I put here doctor ID, and sorry, equal. If doctor, this query is match. Okay, and second one, the query is date, and which date I have to go inside the attribute of the appointment data, appointment date attribute. Okay, control C. Second one is okay, and I think equal, control V. And one things more, only I have to write written a comma from here. Okay, So comma query, okay, dot equal, okay, and here first of all attribute and second some data. Okay, so control S, let's go inside the Appwrite where it gone. Here it is. Okay, and date, appointment time, not a date, time. Okay, and time will be here. Okay, and here's I put a time, here put a date, sorry, date. Okay, and not id come, here comes data. Okay, and I just means what we say, the structure that data, so const, okay, is equal to data. Inside data there are three things, only we need the three things. First of all id, second of all date, and third one is time. Okay, if three things are matched, okay, then data will become. Okay, now let's try move to our project, and we remember all things, only three things I take. So let's go in appointment. My info is not appointment slice, just I have to open it, button close, sign in close, store close, only appointment, and this one be also be open here. Now go to appointment patient. Okay, here when I click the add appointment handle submit, then first of all we have to put something like that, control means comment, then if no first of all dispatch I do. Okay, and inside dispatch get appointment data. Okay, and inside here I send a data. Okay, not a data, okay, data. If dot complete, and after that then callback. Okay, then set some if else condition and action dot, sorry, action not, if add get appointment data dot fulfill and dot match match what action. Okay, and also put here action dot payload. Okay, and inside that all things we have to done, but now only just show the result. Okay. Now what we send in data, so first of all in data what we send here. Okay, so sorry, so I just extract means the structure from form data. Okay, data spelling is be correct now, and why the hang my system will be here, do like that. Can we use then catch block with redux as well? Yes, redux as well, yes, we can here, you can say that no here, but here is one problem. We are using a create async thunk. Okay, create async thunk, and it is a middleware of the redux. I hope you also will be know. Then its method is just a method or some process is callback we have to use, and inside callback it is a async callback. Then async await is we have to using more time. Okay, so I didn't use what we said dot 10 inside here, because already we are using our async await and try catch block then. Okay, but we can try there also. So inside the here what we need, first of all doctor id, no, and we have already doctor. Okay, so if I forget here to copy it this, and here we just for the later time we can for seeing we paste here. Okay, and what we need inside the data structure, so first of all we need doctor id. Okay, second, yes, we can search with the doctor id, and another one is date, control C, Control V, and third one is time. Control C. Okay, Control V, and we remove this. Okay, remove this, and after that, just you can see we are destructuring here ID, date, and time. So same we have to put here, just ID, okay, date, just like this, and time. Now inside here we just pass ID, date, and time. Okay, so now this will be completed, and what is the error? You can see all data structure are unused. Hello, we just use here ID, date, and time. Property time does it in the time doctor string. In component which dispatch you using then block, but it is toolkit. Can we is sorry can we use in Redux? Al Quran, I am not understanding what you want to say. In component with dispatch you are using then block, okay, but it is a toolkit. Yeah, can we use in Redux? I think I'm using a Redux toolkit. Redux, I don't know about it, because when I learn it's more than year, okay, I learn at that time. Then at the time there is not prefer to learn Redux. Only all the YouTubers, all the my teachers or friends, they also using our Redux toolkit. So I don't know about Redux. I only use a Redux toolkit, so I don't know about it. Yeah, but Redux and Redux toolkit is different. Yes. I don't know about it is different or not, but if the name will be changed and then it's different, I think so. Now time, property, type doctor ID string, user ID any, appointment string, DJs are on use. Okay, no problem, continue. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now how to remove this error? I think if we put any, then this will be gone. Okay, now it's perfect, and I think here will be also any. It's not going. Okay, and why is this error? Argument is in think inside the sender parameter unknown action. Can't find date. Did you mean date? Date is declared here. DAT. Okay, so we don't waste our time here, and it's completely okay. We just remove this red line. After when we can take a one video on only for a TypeScript, then that there we can remove. I know that it is better to remove here. I can show some using a TypeScript, but first of all I want to complete the logic and the function that we have to doing. Okay, so let's see. We just comment here and submit, then we can retrieve our data. So we already sent some. Where is our here the application? Okay, and I don't know why this appointment always gone. We have to fix it. Okay, first of all we just recome with here. Then I remove all things. First of all I select this doctor, cardiologist. Okay, select, and after this selecting we get a doctor ID. Okay, and prescription, do same thing. Okay, we can write anything here, but you have to put according to your appointment region. Okay, date will be tomorrow and time is 9 o'clock. Okay, Control Shift I and just minimize, also put the small screen. and first of all delete here, big. Now click here, that it. Okay, now after that one error you can see that date is not defined. date, then what happened? Wait, why not defined? Date is the same. Wait, control C, control V, date, why not defined? Capital D, the suggestion that we have to see and put here capital D, but no problem. Now once again try it. Zetro, hi bro, how are you? I'm fine and I hope you will be also fine. I think you are new in our channel, so please first of all subscribe our channel. And can you say me where are you from? Okay, now again. And why this always is gone? Wait. Uh Open the code, okay. I have to open what we say layout. I'm not a new. Okay, great. So where are you from? Inside the app, this is one the patient. I have to go layout. So open here. And why is the patient is opening? Hey, yeah, why the hang update user? Okay, we don't did it. Kerala. Okay, nice to hear it. And thank you for joining us. Okay, we are continuing this project, and if you have any solution, if I'm getting somewhere the problem, then I request you to give some solution about it. I hope you know that what is React means about the coding, no? And what I'm doing now is data is available or email is verification. Okay, I have to put also this one, okay, for the safety. Okay, if it is null, then it's showing the undefined. Now if it is null, then it's already false, and it's no matter what is undefined or not. So is data available? What is it? Okay, and if I remove it, okay, now let's open. Then I think this the problem that appointment page is gone automatically. I have to reload it, then that is not come. El Quran use null check. Use null as you means of what we say that what sign, no? I think you are saying that this I am correct. and it's take a little bit only time to I start the lab, and my laptop was so hang. What the problem is here? Oh, it's still loading, and all things are shown. Okay, and let's try once more. Cardiologist, okay, and cardiologist, select, write some description, select the date of tomorrow, okay, and time will be 9, and schedule appointment, then control shift I think the data will can see. And hello rating review, आज डेट 30 है, डे 29 कहाँ है? You can see 39 भी है. Doctor name Subham, specialization. Hello, get doctor. Oh, for this one we are getting the doctor. And appointment passage. Okay, okay, you get it, means जो डाटा आ रहा है हमारे पास वो आ रहा है, ठीक है. Menu sir. Okay, and first of all please subscribe our channel, give one like, and thank you for joining us. हमने इसको स्टार्टिंग से किया है, मीन्स स्टार्टिंग से 1 2 इस टाइप से, ठीक है. तो इस प्रोजेक्ट में okay, today I trying to continue this project only in English language, okay. So I will continue for in English. I hope you understand it. I trying to is normal English. So we can starting from a day 1. I now still gonna 30 days and 2 days that, and the project I don't think today is completed. It takes some more days. If you want to learn, then you have to follow the day first, okay, because in day first I can only cover the basic things. If you can cover only first video, it means day 1, then I think if you have some knowledge about it, means just like a HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind and React, then you complete it as yourself. Only just you are seeing the all videos as a for a few seconds, or doing a skip means doing watching so doing a skip. So if you have any question, then you ask, and otherwise I'll go through in our project. Thank you sir. मुझे बस बेसिक HTML आता और थोड़ा बहुत CSS. क्या मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट पर वर्क कर सकता हूँ? Yes, you definitely. And what about your JavaScript skill? Because this project you need our JavaScript knowledge or skills, because the any function or any we can doing after completing the design, then we need our JavaScript skills, okay. So if you know about only the JavaScript fundamental basic knowledge about, then you can continue with project. If you don't know in JavaScript, then JavaScript अभी सीख रहा हो, okay. If you complete your fundamental skills of JavaScript, just what is come in fundamental, what you say variables, okay, data types, variable data types, if what you say control flow, just like loops, if else condition, okay, and object array function, and what is remaining. Other and okay, I forget about. Once again I can try. Data types, okay, variable, all things about the data types, all things about the variable, all things about the functions, loop, if else condition, array, object, okay. Only this much you can complete for the basic, then you can start the project. Otherwise, first of all, otherwise if you don't know about this topic, then first of all you have to complete the JavaScript this topic, then you can continue this project, okay. Because without that without that concept, you can feel some hard, because in this project we mainly use functions is meantime we can use array object. Array object we can use of the method, also array object methods, and data types just like a number, string, whatever the data types inside, and that's their methods we can using. So first of all you have to complete your basic. Okay, so I hope this is this suggestion helpful for you. Now I can continue in my project. Okay, so we find the data. So now what we want to check these two one. Okay, control C. So let's go in our appointment page, and I think here we can just comment it. सर मैं खासकर प्लेसमेंट के लिए ये प्रोजेक्ट का काम करना चाहता हूँ, क्या प्लेसमेंट मिल जाएगा? ये प्रोजेक्ट लिंक्डइन पे डाल दूंगा तो लेट मी थिंक अबाउट इट. ठीक है, तो प्लेसमेंट के लिए आप प्रोजेक्ट बनाना चाहते हैं तो दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज गुड. ठीक है, बट इसमें हाँ मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में चल रहा, बट इसमें थोड़ा सा आपको भी खुद थोड़ा सा अपडेट करना पड़ेगा. जस्ट लाइक मैं इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या क्या कर रहा हूँ, जस्ट मैं इतना फीचर रख रहा हूँ इसमें, ये एक नॉर्मल यूजर डॉक्टर से अपॉइंटमेंट ले पाए, एंड जो डॉक्टर है उस अपॉइंटमेंट को कंफर्म और कैंसिल कर पाए, एंड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ऐड कर पाए. ओके, एंड एक और चीज़ जो एडमिन होगा वो दोनों का हैंडल कर पाएगा. ठीक है, ओनली मैं इतना ही चीज़ इसमें कवर करने जा रहा हूँ. अगर आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट को प्लेसमेंट के लिए यूज करना है तो इसमें आपको खुद का कुछ फीचर्स ऐड करना पड़ेगा. जैसे आप पेमेंट बिलिंग ऐड कर सकते हैं, आप इसमें और मोर क्या मीन्स खुद का सम आप ChatGPT या सम और सर्च कीजिए, इस प्रोजेक्ट में आप क्या मोर ऐड कर पाएंगे. ठीक है, देन यू कैन रेडी फॉर द प्लेसमेंट, मीन्स दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज रेडी फॉर योर प्लेसमेंट प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, इफ जो मैं बना सेम टू सेम बनाकर लिंक्डइन पे रख दे या प्लेसमेंट में जा रहे वहाँ दिखाएंगे तो थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा वहाँ पर, बट आप इसमें आप खुद का कुछ फीचर ऐड कर पाए आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग जितना भी मैंने कंप्लीट किया उतना, देन इट इज़ रेडी फॉर प्लेसमेंट प्रोजेक्ट. यही प्रोजेक्ट नहीं, आप कौन सा भी प्रोजेक्ट आप क्लोन कीजिएगा मीन्स यूट्यूब से देखकर उतना बनाने सही है, एंड उसके प्लस आप खुद का फीचर ऐड करेंगे, दैट इज अ मेन प्लेसमेंट प्रोजेक्ट, मीन्स प्लेसमेंट के लिए प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, आई होप यू गेट इट. सो मैं कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ, आई एम कंटिन्यूइंग इन माई प्रोजेक्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई हैव टू चेक if action and sorry if this is already I put some variable const const brief data is equal to action dot payload. Okay, then I think control C, control V, this is already available. Okay, this is already available, then already available, then what we say, some of toast message toast toast dot success. Okay, and on this time doctor already booked, time is not available. Okay, so this time is not available, this time is not available. Okay, उसके बाद इसमें इस टाइप से पोजीशन टॉप राइट एंड रिच कलर ट्रू. Okay, and not warning you can put warning. Let's see, I think here's three things we can use it, error, success and warning. Let's see one is work not. If data is not here, okay, then else part. Okay, else part, appointment is booked, and where's my comment? Okay, after that we can run this, we are already made in previous video. Successfully appointment is booked. थैंक यू सर, मैं सारा कॉलेज के स्टूडेंट के पास लिंक शेयर कर दिया हूँ, यूट्यूब एल्गोरिथम डायरेक्ट मुझे रिकमेंडेड किया नहीं, तो मैं बहुत दिन से ऐसा वीडियो सर्च कर रहा था. ओके, एंड थैंक यू टू यू also to joining us. Okay, and please subscribe channels, give some like and continue with the project. Okay, and दोस्तों के साथ भी शेयर कर दीजिए प्रोजेक्ट. ओके, एंड जनरली मैं वीडियो हिंदी में बनाता हूँ. आज जस्ट मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे कल थोड़ा सा होल डे इंग्लिश में कुछ करना है, इसके कारण मैं आई एम ओनली जस्ट प्रैक्टिस इन डूइंग द इंग्लिश. ओके, सो लेट मूव इन टू आवर प्रोजेक्ट अगेन. Now let's go and send the data again at the same times, at the same date and the same doctor. Okay, so select the doctor as the same, the cardiology, select the doctor, add some description. I want to take appointment for check up for what? Heart related. Okay, if I put the same date, and why the sorry, and I hope my sound is clearly coming. Okay, it's loaded 7 and time will be same 9 a.m. Okay, and set schedule. Then hello, nothing, so control shift I, empty stream, and search doctor. Okay, it's for the doctor, I can understand. Search doctor, doctor name, appointment. Yes. I think some confusion here. Okay, wait. I just oh, let's move, means let's go in our VS Code. Hello VS Code, where are you going? Come here. Okay, now it's okay. So I think some things I just if a warning is not available, then something like that error. Okay, and first of all, action that PL load is doing that, then is action for the checking that is it exists or not. Okay, then const why this error is coming. Okay, it's solve it. And I just after I think this one will also be okay. And if the doctor is, and wait, if this one is not coming, then I can console here the response, then it definitely show in console. Okay, response, and do fast. Okay, now let's go in our browser. Yeah, today why is taking time? I think today I do so much things on this project, so trying to complete and today, but so through the this is a small bug I think in our project. You can see our appointment page automatically hidden. Then don't worry, we can check. Okay, but ooh, okay, so select the doctor. Hello doctor. So I don't know why, but my laptop is hang problem. Okay, doctor is selected, and some description. Time will be same as the tomorrow 7 and 9. Okay, schedule, you can see here nothing, any message the successfully appointment or not. Control shift I. Now let's see. I think also first we are doing the dispatch for the getting the doctor appointment data. I think that is not working. Let's see why it's not working. First of all, I did all things. Okay, again I click here, then again I take this one. Okay, from the starting we can just review it. So for getting here, we can facing some error. And what is the error? You can just where the okay, now it's working. Response invalid query require at least one value, but we are sending no. Okay, let's see. Data is same as the data data, so you can just console outside of the try console.log data data. Okay, date, time, and doctor ID is same. Do once again. Okay, and again the doctor appointment also hidden. You can see here the change some URL appointment to my info, change it. Okay, now change and go delete all the things, select the doctor, cardiologist. Okay, and select, give the some reason for the appointment, take a date and take a time. Okay, all things are selected. You can remove it. Okay, oh, ID is undefined and time is array, ID is undefined and date is function. So we found it the error. What is the data we are sending for the getting a data is not correctly sent. Okay, why the my throat is going not good. And yes, course fast opened. I have to just solve that this error. Okay, now you can see it's, let's go in appointment. The problem is coming here, the ID which is doctor ID, the date which is appointment date, and the time is this is not set correctly. D, capital D is not good. Okay, because it's already resolved by the JavaScript, and small d is also be working, but okay, now fine. Oh, so now what we say, I think date will be shown. ID, oh, what the problem for the ID? Let's see. Doctor ID, control C. Appointment date and appointment time, and appointment time showing the array. Let's try once again. Okay, and time wise showing the all data. Okay, okay, wait. The problem exactly is coming because we set the one array of the time, you can see here. Okay, so that's why. So I if change the times, okay, and then put in the select component also, that showing that we changed our time, it is just times. Okay, now I think it will be correct. Let's go in browser. Okay, delete all the things and try to move my info, and then again the appointment. Okay, so delete all things again, select the doctor, and to select the doctor, giving some reason for appointment, and delete all the, delete not, select the date, which date you want to visit at that clinic or for a doctor, and the date, open it please. Now the box is appear but it's disappear. Okay, 7, and select the time, same the 9, and date selected please 7. Okay, so now delete all things and schedule. Now let's see what the exactly we are getting. Okay, and it's literally taking a time. It's also showing some error, and let's see what the date is not defined. Why is not defined? You can see here that is defined. I think this is also shown that it is not defined. Just click in red button, date is not defined. But why we destructuring to the date from the app? In appointment or where? We are, first problem is our laptop being hanged. Second problem is we are facing the more and more error bug. Still it's day 30. Okay, DATE. Okay, DATE is perfect. It's nothing any problem here. Let's go in appointment component, and here you can see, let's go move toward for, let's go in top. Appointment handle submit DATE, and we just using a DATE, but it's showing wait, I think it is the best if I put same to same. Okay, on just like a doctor ID are highlighted this. Okay, appointment date. No, I don't know why the destructuring is not working. And last one is controls. Now it's confirm is work. Okay, now destructure again, control C. In here inside the appointment slice, we just change this one. Okay, now remove the ID with the doctor ID, remove the date with the appointment date, and remove the time with the appointment time. Okay, now let's go and do once again the testing, that is work or not. I think this time is totally work, but let's see what happened, because it if any time is accept or imagine that all things going with us, but then at the time is changed and doing all the alternative things. Okay, just delete all the things and select the doctor, which one, the cardiology, select the doctor which is coming here, and delete all the things. Okay, add some region. Okay, and anything region that you want to for that appointment, change the date from tomorrow and select the same time and schedule. Okay, now is these things, hello, these things correctly here. Now the getting data wise, again the showing invalid query attribute not found in schema doctor id. Oh, in doctor id we can put here the I capital. Okay, so that is the reason it's maybe a showing error. Okay, id is capital. Now if they're capital, then I have to put also capital here. Okay, now in appointment patient I have to put capital I, and here, okay, and with that if I put here capital I, then I have to also put here the capital I, otherwise it's showing the error. Okay, now let's check is capital no, and where the database out here. Here we put the small I, then why is showing the error? You can see the small I. User ID, which user is sent, doctor ID, where doctor is sent. Then it's a small. I'm just doing a control Z. Let's go in appointment, doing control Z. Okay, okay, okay. It's my mistake. I have to put a small I, no. Okay, that is the mistake one. Okay, and we are doing the another wrong things. Don't worry, it's generally happened. Open. Okay, now again I think this time it definitely work. Let's see what happened. Okay, all things we are already doing. Okay, just we have to click the send button. I think it's hang. Why is hanging so much time? If I reload it, it take a lot of time to coming all the data. So I am only doing the change the means changing the pages. Okay, my info to appointment. Okay, let's go appointment. Let's go appointment. Select a doctor. Next again, data is already inside. Okay, this is another method. No? Ignore it. Select the doctor. Write in something. Okay, I write something, and just date for tomorrow, and the time is 9. Okay, now remove the all from the console, delete it, and schedule. Now I think it's work. Let's see what happened. This time is not available. Okay, you can see error message is coming, no, and its action. And now I think we can handle from it here. Okay, it's better. So let's go. We can see is two data, we can see that. Okay, so now after doing that, we are 100% sure the data is never sent if the same time will be user want to put. Okay, so we just have to change. Okay, sorry. Let's continue. And no one is us. Okay, Don't worry. This time is not available. Change the CHANG, change the time, change the time. Doctor not available. Available. No, available. Okay, now this is the correct word. Change the time. Doctor is not available. Okay, I think so this sentence will be not looking good. Okay, so let's go in our browser and just open the chat GPT. Okay, and I think many things are open, no? So if I remove, close the some of the windows, then our laptop or system may be a little bit of fast working. And close it, please. Now you want also close. If you will also close, then no problem, I think. And I think you are extra. Okay, no problem. Let's okay. Okay, so open the chat GPT, not other things, and just go inside the here, put and correct the message. Okay, no. In this sentence I want to say this time is doc this time is doctor book. Please change the time and try again. On these types of messages, but in good way. Okay, okay, the doctor is booked at this time, please choose different times and try again. Okay, I think this message will be a little what do we say, with the good vibe or something like that. Please select. Yeah, I have so much work and the time is going. It's time 12 o'clock and only for 1 hour. Control V. How much time is take? Okay, now I think all things are fine. Little bit take a time, and I think I have to put if loading, no, and which loading I have to put. First of all, checking loading. Second of all, add appointment. Okay, so excellent. We are already setting the loading. Then why is not working? Okay, let's see. And where it is here. Okay, just remove this tab. I mean, just close this tab, not remove. It's today also facing so much hanging problem, so delete all the things. Okay, now again schedule. The doctor is booked at this time, please choose a different. Okay, I think only the get message we can say, not a first. Okay, so it's better. And I'm just wanting to go our VS code, but let's take a time. If I warning, because our function is completed, no, and the things we want to do is the same. hello, if I click once again, okay, and you can just change here something like that without using a toast. You can just using a pop-up box where you can show the message okay and cancel button like that. Okay, if I click on schedule, then you can see the message come. Okay, now it's warning tag is orange, no, not a red, it's orange. Okay, and just if I have changing my time and then I click here, then you can see hello, I just changed the time, no. Control Shift I, and why this happening? Oh, also we can just control with this total, then it's better one, no? I just think about it. If I thought it's working, then hey mouse, please work correctly. And my system is going hang, so oh, now it's completely fine. Okay, so dot total total is if greater than 1. Okay, now it's better. Okay, and I have to put here the null check. Okay, now it's better, I think. Okay, I think it's better when I do like that. Is sorry, const is data available if data available. Okay, so now what do I have to do? If this one is here, if we are, don't be confused, it's same. I using a variable like that, and control X and control V. Okay, and I use this one because this is condition and this only return the answer is true and false basis. Okay, means boolean variable. Now let's go and check is work or not. Hey, I just giving the command to open this, and first of all this one. Okay, now I sending, I think it's taking a reload, no reload. Okay, first of all I just okay 9 o'clock same time, then I think I getting a book. Okay, if I change the time, then okay, now it's correct and this is working fine. Okay, so first is completed. Then what we do after the sending the appointment with this user to the doctor, then we get again the all the appointment data to show in our dashboard. In so is user dashboard, our dashboard, what you can see, and just put it. Okay, so let's is completed part, and it's what the remaining part you can do. Just add some what do we say, form validation. You can form validation only left to put in our all the where in anywhere for the doctor, for the admin, and left. Okay, for a doctor and for a user. So here, and this data will be shown as a appointment data. So we can doing cancel for the changing a date or time. Hey, okay, and here I think also doctor is coming. Yeah, because the same thing we are doing that, no. And this is I think more interesting things we can turn because the background something like that, then it's looking more modern like, no. And when you can select it, because all things are hello, okay, selected, then doctor will be selected, and all data can already available, I think. How can we do? First of all, showing the table only that much part we can do for now. And where the clause, okay, so let's go. Here, wait. Now in appointment slice, okay. Hmm, how can is used for the two part? Think about it. Are we just getting a data from here? No. So we have to make another slice. Okay, that is the better one. Okay. Get appointment data. If we'll change the name, that is the best way. No, means I want to fetch data is already available for this part, and for get data for the another part. Okay, and when this data is fetched, when we are trying to send appointment, and when the data we can see for the showing all data. No, when I come back to in dashboard, then another function will be work. If I sending a data, then is another function will be work. No, I think we can do in same page. Okay, so let's change the here and get all. Okay, this one is the name change. Okay, get all appointment data and only for the searching part. Okay, nothing for now. We just change the name and copy. Okay, for that way is loading is not working, because we have to add these things more for the add data, and again for the what for the get data, for the get data and for get the all data. So this is for search uh, uh, search appointment is already exist or not. Okay. Okay, and again we have to copy this one. This is for get all appointment data. Okay, so first of all we change this one, get all appointment. Okay, only just change this name, and second for the searching, all change and remove the all. Okay, and control C, control V. That's why I thinking that why the loading is not working there. Okay, now it's complete and it is correct. Okay, we just forget about this. We have to just update the code in our extra reducer also, but now it's good. Now inside the get all, we just remove this query inside here, and okay, sorry, put a query inside here, but query dot equal. Okay, remove all the things and put here equal, and put here first of all user id. We just send the user id. Okay, id, and I think only id, then why the data is showing only id. Data structure, remove it. Now it's this will be correct form. Remove this. Okay, and how we get the user id? From state. Okay, it's very simple. Control S, and copy the name, control S. Let's go in appointment page. No, in dashboard page. And where is the dashboard page? In patient layout, not page, not a layout. Let's go in dashboard. Okay, as main things you can see for the cancel, for the appointment, and data box, total number of data, and table, and all things we are show in table. Okay, and table, In table we need data from, I think so, from dashboard, no? Because if I send the data from the here, then we also pass in this space, no? Then this space also. So it is better one to pass three components at the one. If I put inside here, then I have to again put here. So I think we put here. So I think use effect we have to use, and definitely we use a use state. Okay, then dispatch, and here's no variable of dispatch, const dispatch is equal to use dispatch. Okay, now it's already import, I think. Okay, now dispatch control B dispatch and control space enter. Okay, I have to send here id. Okay, after only that much, and if some I have to set here. Okay, that one for the now we just use this one. Okay, so we have to use selector again for the appointment data. Okay, and appointment slice, what we already put the name appointment only. Let's go in paste dashboard. Okay, control B dot appointment data. Okay, now it's time to correct. It is correctly worked now. Okay, now just check here, const is appoint capital A appointment data is appointment data available, then appointment data and control B dot total total is greater than 1. Okay, I think this one is better. If inside the total is not existed, then put here. And more things, this is object, no? Yes, sorry, this is the object, and I think it's correct one, and I just put here control V. If it is false, then only call it. Sorry, control Z. It is false, then only call it. Otherwise, control C and console dot. Okay, not here, not here. This I want once times only use. Okay, console log control V. Okay, and if the changing here, then it's just print again and again. Oh, are right. Okay, when I getting some distract, then it's already coming work and it's fine. Let's go. First of all, check this data is coming or not. Now let's see, I already click the control R for the reload the page. If reload after complete the reloading, you can see if the data is coming or not. Okay, and one thing I forget, that this ID where is the ID? So this ID we take from the appointment, no? Is will be a good. So layout doesn't need sorry, page also not doesn't need. Here the appointment page. Please close it. Is closed. Let's go in our appointment page. I think the sound is good. And click here. Okay. Let's go top of the code, and you can see the user ID, no? And where the URL from? Here. Control home. Control C. Now let's go in our dashboard, and dashboard you can also same just use before the this Control V. Now it's come here, and just now I have to send Control C, Control V dot dollar. Where is the dollar ID? Okay, and we just first of all check if it is exist. Control C, Control V. Put here the white sign, then it will be better. Okay. Now let's go in browser. Control R. Now open the what we say console. I think let's see what you think. We have to just wait. I think loading is completed. Okay, so loading is completed, then I think data will also come on. Dashboard empty array. Okay, 444. We found it finally. Okay. Then let's go inside again, and just now is check. Console.log, Control V. For checking in dashboard. 1, 2, 3, boom. Yeah, please. Okay, now. Now space. Okay. So let's go in browser, and again means reload and check, because we are controlling the our API call from this variable. Control S. Let's go. Open it, and Control R. Okay, and now open again the what console. You are free to say something on here. Okay, no any pressure or what we say about pressure or force to do something. What I am speaking, I'm sorry, what I am saying that is true, false, and after correcting is true. Okay, so now it's working fine. Okay, we're just checking about it. After ID, just check. Control C, and not Control V. Okay, it just check because in every loading, if our data is not there, then only we can use. Okay, don't do that. We are just closing the output, means just finishing the out project fast and possible. If it will be happening after every minute, then how we complete. Okay, so I think it doesn't need this one. Okay, okay, I just sent our appointment data here. Not here, or here. Control V, equal to Control V. Okay, and inside the table, here. Here, and now what is we face the difficulty here? How first of all, these are Control C dot document. Okay, then Control V, Windows V. Okay, and dot documents. Okay, if this is error or not having data, then just check it offline. Sorry, Control this shift. Okay, and now user letter name for the username. Okay, and we don't have username. Okay, so much problem we can face now. Okay. We want also name there and username. Okay, what we think to show? Doctor name, username, date, time. Okay, first of all, how much data we have, first of all show that only that much. Okay, after that we can see. So we have, I think if I, okay, now it's better, and open the our Appwrite. Okay, and how much data we have inside the appointment collection, appointment database, appointment collection, inside that, only showing that much. Okay, after that we can see how to take a name of the user, how to take a name of the doctor, how to take more information about that. Then okay, I think due to some technical error, not say that error, technical issue is perfect word, we are facing now, so that is taking a delay live or what. Okay, and I literally think that today is day 30 of my live of this project. I think I end of my project after completing everything we are introduced in our first video. not a first, second, third, you can say that. Okay, and just open any one. What's happened? Oh, just a second. If where the attribute we have. Okay, let's go in data. So we have doctor ID and we don't want to display doctor ID. Okay, we just want to say ID. Okay, then now it's hang again. Okay, now it's working. And so let's go. First of all, we need ID, no? And ID, how we with using a dollar sign, because many places we can face the problem to don't using that dollar sign. Okay, after that we have doctor ID and using a doctor ID, appointment region. Okay, and we don't put here appointment region. Okay, we use appointment date. Okay, so appointment date, copy the attribute of appointment date, control C, and date. Okay, so dot control V. Okay, it's taking so much time because of the slowing the laptop. And appointment time, so date and time we need. Okay, so date is complete. And status, yes, we also have the status. And key, again key. Oh, again key, because we are using so much things here. And user image, img, for now, not now, your computer running low space, visit storage. Okay, and hello viewers, after some time this live will automatically close because of showing the information beside me, because uh, in the front of my face will be shown because this circle I saw this error. So let's see when our live will be closed. Tab tak, for that means we are continuing. Okay, and appointment time, where we define appointment time here. And what we user ID, status, also we have the status. And yes, status is here, appointment date and name. Okay, if these things are using, then why you not saying a name and the user? This is better one, no? Because we don't have to call again the that user again and again, no. Ooh, so we have to just add. Okay, first of all we just want to time also we have to show. So we can just control C, control V. Okay, time, sorry, control Z, time. Okay, and the third press I want to see your time. And first of all I want to see, hello, remove it, only this username and user image or icon. Second one, appointment date and time. Okay, and fourth one, status button. Okay, and fifth one, use on doctor, which doctor I have to send. And after that I am using a action. Okay, so don't worry, we just time string. Okay, and next time. Okay, now date, also we have the time. Okay, and also I have to also define here, date is enough, put the time. time, level should be a T capital, minimum width put 100. And now all things are correct. And thus why showing the ID error? I think above. ID will be anything's name dot. Don't know why this is showing that. This red line will be removed. Now all the problem is gone. Okay. Then first of all, what I do, just I want to see the data we have already. Okay. So what we have to do, just make this one inside here. Sorry, comment it and copy it, only that. Okay, and uncomment it. And now just remove what we don't have. First of all, we don't have this user letter name. Okay, and what happened? My mouse is not working. Control Z. Okay, so first of all, what we don't have, we remove here. Okay, and just put manual ID. Yes, we have ID, then no problem that. And what we again don't have, image we don't have, no, then image not have, then why we to null. Okay, and we have data dot ID, I have to put, no. Okay, here name, doctor name. So also not define the doctor name, so manually put in doctor name, put the same one. Okay, now anything more we have to left. Now let's see it show in our dashboard or showing some error. Open and the time. Why stock here? Let's open all tab. Okay, now see some error here, control R. Okay, so now what the error? First of all, appointment is appointment data is undefined. So for that error, we have to just set if appointment have some data, then only go forward. So for this, we just go all tab in our code editor. Okay, and just put here appointment data, control C, here control V and double and. Okay, so this helps to solve this error, I think. Okay, so now let's see, go in our browser, and the mouse is not working. This takes some time to work. This is my mouse, it's in Dell company, and now it's work. Okay, and I think I have to reload my page, control R, then please solve the error, because all possible things are done to help to remove this error. Okay, now we're watching the white screen that when comes the data, let's display the dashboard, what the error against shown, all that I'm thinking in my mind, thinking about it. Let's see how your data is displayed. Now is undefined. Inside there you can see the total. I'm just scrolling my mouse and you can see it's not working. Excellent. This appointment data is coming from the data, what we say component, no? And this I use here. Then let's go in dashboard. Okay, and the data whatever comes we can show here. Appointment data. Okay, I have to just check 1 second. Okay, the data is available or not. Okay, for that first of all I have to comment this. Okay, so it's not usable, then the error is not showing, then this error automatically remove, and our dashboard will be shown as the previous mode. Okay, after that first of all we can look for the open our dashboard, then we continue, go ahead, continue toward it's still loading, means reloading. Now it's open, and here is dashboard, come fast. Okay, so our 30 days is going too much buggy, we can say. Now control shift I. Okay, now it's reload, and let's see the data is showing or not. It is false first time. Okay, I understand that. After that is true, and the data is here, and inside the object you can see the documents. Control C. Then data is we have, no, we are running correctly, and we are just going inside and check if data is here, then only the dashboard will be shown, otherwise that not shown. Okay, so I think this one is control C. Okay, I have to, and B. Okay, inside I have to send this one is also control B. Okay, control S. Now let's go in a table and go up, scroll up. Oh, here. Sticky header. Now we have now two profs. Okay, now let's check these profs are true or false. Control C, control S. Now where we check it? Here. Okay, now we going to our browser to see our table is showing or not. Okay, so now we are waiting for our table. Let's see what happens. And I think for the user dashboard is complete. For the complete this only for the user, one video or need, one video more need or not more need. For complete the appointment part is remaining for the what do we say, for the cancel, for the showing the data, something like that. I hope the error this time we will not see, but let's see. Okay, I understand. Row dot slice is not a function. why row dot no slash is a function. Control C. Okay, so now control V. Is taking a little bit time, space, and space. Okay, now this problem is also be solved. Let's go inside browser, control R again, click. Now wait and watch. Then means wait and watch and see what the next error will be come or generated. What we expected, the errors comes here, and now only the show me what the error we have left to solve. Rows dot slice is not a function. Okay, the table const id in action table 96. हाँ एक्शन में आईडी पास करना है नहीं वेट एक्शन ओ तो id. Okay, we have to many. Okay, so many things we have to change here, but now I will have to but now I have to only see the data which is shown correctly or not. After that we have many things here manipulating. Okay, so don't worry about this. Now data is also coming, control R, just correct it, and because whatever we done for the showing the data. Okay, and we have to what we do manipulate more. You can see that I wait, we can see the we what I use that for a cancel appointment and schedule appointment, put in the dashboard, but we have to put in the table because every row means means a table inside every row have their own cancel appointment and schedule appointment. So that, no, after that it gets our id for there and some information from there, so that we have to first of all showing the this data, then after that we can manipulate it. Okay, so I think tomorrow by taking one more live we are completing our user dashboard completely completed. Okay, and for some part just like a type script updated, one thing form validation, this part we can done, means we can do after sometimes. What is this? Okay, this error because the name we have to provide it in single word, but we have to provide it in double word, but we have to provide it in double with the space. Let me try. We are still waiting for when the okay, control S. Let's go in browser, control R, because there is no option. We have to only we have to wait, because this part is debugging part, and mainly the coder waste their time invest their time in solving the bug, means solving the bug, error, fixing the problem, what we want to say. Now we are waiting for our dashboard to seeing the data which are in the appointment collection. Okay, reloading starts. When the loading is come, then we just put here 001. You can see, I put the space. So okay, because there is no option, we have to see it. Okay, I think someone is messing. No one. Let's go in browser, and okay, it's already reloading. So wait and watch. There is no more. There is no option. Okay, then the data is coming. Means data is here. So you can see we can extract the data from the database. Okay. Now what is our next step? So our next step is the schedule box. You can see when I close schedule, then one box is open. Okay, close, and another box is cancel. Okay, we can set this only one. Okay, and after when I click, we need the data from that row inside here in this box. Okay, so for that we have to do these things we have to put inside this table. Okay, and so time is over, so I think we have to close. Okay, so first of all I just put that appointment and the cancel form inside here. Then okay, so let's go inside our what we say that VS Code. Okay, and when we click, then we need every time it's new then we have to use this one, no? But how? We can put here something like that. We need that form for the every part. Or okay, we don't need to do that. So so just what we do when we click inside this action, no, then we already passed the ID. Okay, so first of all sort where it is here, and the action we can here ID. Okay, and we need the ID inside the here. Okay, and after clicking that we need the ID inside here. Here means inside here, or Z means just like ID here. So I can pass, and when it open the ID with that form, then we can do some operation. So this logic how you can do, just think like that. If you send okay, and so for doing this operation for this logic we have here. So just if we pass means wait, let's go set schedule. Hey, I don't want to open it, I have to go inside the schedule. Okay, so control home and you can see set schedule, set boolean. Okay, so press control and go inside the. Okay, here what we can do, initial state we can just passing false. So what we do here, okay, for uh, value. Okay, and another one is I need ID. ID is first of all is I think string, no? Okay, so now it's fine, it's not a bad. Okay, control C. Let's go in our table and remember it. Okay, first of all one thing you can that remember it, when whatever place whatever place you use that set schedule, set schedule. Now we have two things. First we have to pass true, and sorry, means boolean variable, and second one is what is that ID. Okay, and what is the problem that, let's go in our schedule boolean. Okay, now we have to two things now, no? Control X, like do that, control B. So now state dot initial, sorry, initial state, sorry, wait. Now here you can see the two value we can taking, no? What is the state? It is that if single, then okay, I have to put less like a value. I think we have to make two one, no? So set ID, control Z, this is property and this is a callback. Okay, this one, and we not I don't think though we need a single line is work in semicolon, and here also be same state and action. Okay, after that here state dot id is equal to action dot payload. Okay, these two things, and I have to also import this one, control B, control S. Now we have two options. Okay, times is going last, this is last things. After complete this we what we say, what I am to say, that we close the live. Okay, so I think to dispatch now we need, then control X. Okay, control V. One dispatch is one and another one is set capital I and D. Okay, and inside here I have to pass ID. Okay, and for the same cancel also. For the same cancel also, we remove the dispatch, means control X, curly bracket, control V, and the same things we have to do from here also. Now it's better, it's good, and it's working. After that, dashboard, control S, control S, control S. Okay, here. After that, we not doesn't need to ID. Okay, and what is this one? Cancel true, cancel false. Inside the appointment, cancel an ID. And when, wait, how do I use this? The table, no, I just forget about it. Let's go in here, inside here, and wait, in set boolean we doesn't define this, no. So just a wait. Okay, so wait, in dispatch set boolean, why you didn't go inside? Okay, set boolean here, so just copy. Okay, and set id, okay, and here dot id, and yeah, don't do this on dot value. Okay, and you can see these things are not here, so let's go. Value is false. Okay, and the id will be empty. Now I have to export it, control C here. Okay, so now this error, okay, I have to set curly bracket, sorry, semicolon. Now all things is gone. Okay, so for this live video, this is 30 live video, and this live video we can done from here. Okay, and wait, I think put, I think comma. Oh, this is object, no, so I forget why I forget. Then one thing we also do, let's go in set schedule. Okay, again the control press. Okay, and put comma, not a semicolon. Okay, otherwise next live we solve this error taking a time so much lot of. Control S, control S, control S, control S. Okay, so for today live this much, and thank you for watching us, and thank you for supporting us, viewer. Okay, then continue, so we can continue this project in our next live. So thank you for watching this video, see you in next live. So I'm closing now our live. If you are still here, then ask any question, then we can hear. I'm here to give, otherwise I'm closing. So 5 seconds I wait for anyone. If anyone, if you are watching us, if you have question to ask for that project or about me or something like that, then I can explain. Otherwise I closing my live. Okay, so let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I know that this is very fast, this is not a 5 second, but I'm going to closing my live. So thank you for watching this video, see you in next live.